In front of me is POCO M6 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by locating an app called Files and clicking on it. Then choose Continue at the bottom in the pop-up. Select Allow and click on gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle and hit Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!